Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to fix when you are trying to copy, paste or deleting some files from your Windows 11 PC. At that time guys, you can getting this type of error. As you can see guys, in my screen the action can't be completed because the file is open. To fix this issue guys, you can follow these easy and very simple methods. So first what you need to do, you need to check that particular file folder was open on your PC or not. In my case the file was open in my PC. As you can see guys, I am trying to delete that word file. At that time guys, I am facing that error. You need to close that particular app completely like this. After closing guys, now let's see, I'm going to delete it once again. Now as you can see guys, that file was deleted from my PC. So this is the first and very important method. Okay, in case still you are facing same type of problem guys, you can follow next method. You need to open the task manager. To open the task manager, right click on your Windows logo like this. From here you can easily able to open the task manager on your Windows 11. After this guys, go to more details and here you need to find out Windows Explorer or File Explorer. Just right click on it and click on restart. Now that's it. After doing this guys, now let's try once again. It will fix your problem 100%. So these are the two easy and very simple method. So after this guys, you can also next method, you can restart your PC, laptop, whatever you are using, restart it one time. After restarting, it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple solutions to fix that problem. So that's it for today guys. The short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.